Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2018 Cadillac XT5 and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlights. It's just a regular factory headlight lens, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing and fading over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. If you like the product, link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before starting with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So to prep the headlight, all you need to do is apply Slip Solution onto the lens. And with the clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the headlight may have. So now that the headlight is ready to go, now we can start with the installation. So just apply Slip Solution onto the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do now is just place the film to the headlight like this. And the first thing we need to do is just align it right on the edge here. So align it on the edge of the headlight and just make sure it follows the design of the headlight. So right there, once it's aligned, lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film and on top. That way we're able to tack down and secure this piece first. So secure it and make sure you remove any solution that's trapped behind the film. Now that we secure this one, we're going to stretch the film until it reaches to this edge here. So have your tack solution nearby, that way you're able to grab it and tack it down. So just stretch the film until it reaches the edge. Once you have it on the edge, then we're going to lift the film and apply tack solution. That way the film starts tacking down. So stretch it up until the edge, hold it in position, and tack it down to secure it. And then just apply tack solution, that way your squeegee is able to glide on the headlight and it doesn't lift the film. And just make sure you remove any solution that's trapped behind this curve here. So now that this one's secured and this piece is secured, we're moving on to the last one. So the film does get dry, just apply a little bit of Slip Solution. That way we're able to stretch the film and align it up to the edge here. So just stretch it down until you reach it to the edge. Once it's on the edge, you're going to spray tack solution underneath the film and on top afterwards. That way we're able to tack down and secure the film to this section of the headlight. So now apply tack solution, hold it in place, grab your squeegee and start tacking it down. And now all we need to do is just come back and secure the film. So you are going to notice you have some small fingers lifting on the edges and on the middle of the film. To remove them and bring them down, just apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. And just slowly squeegee the film. So you want to use your squeegee and squeegee like this. You don't want to accidentally squeegee against the film like this because you might crease it. So you just want to glide the film downwards. And you would do the same for the whole panel here. So for example here, let's say if you go like this, you're going to have the film stuck. You might accidentally crease it. So it's better to go at it at an angle like this, upside down. That way we have more control on our squeegee and control the film as well. Because if we continued like this, we would have creased it right here in the middle. So just bring it down like this. And now that most of the film is brought down here, all we need to do now is apply tack solution and heat just to help the film tack down around this area, and then we should be good. So tack solution, apply heat. And you could use your microfiber towel with your fingers and just help it tack down around the curve. The reason why I'm using the microfiber towel because it's more easier to just glide the film, because if we use our thumb, it might get stuck on the film. So just use your microfiber towel and it should look like this. And now we've just finished off by removing any small fingers that we have on the top edge. And then once we're done, we will post heat the entire film to secure it. So to remove the fingers, apply tack solution, apply heat, and with your microfiber towel, just bring them down. You can also use your squeegee for this part, but whatever works best or easier for you. If you do want to use your squeegee, after you apply heat, apply tack solution. That way you're able to squeegee. But instead of using just the squeegee, we're going to wrap our microfiber towel around our squeegee and just tack it down like this. And that's pretty much it. Everything's tacked down. There's no film lifting. Make sure you remove all the solution that's behind the film as well. And now we can move on to post heating the entire panel. So once you finish with the installation, the last thing to do would be to post heat the entire headlight. So to post heat, all you need to do is apply tack solution all over the film. You would then grab your heat gun, start applying heat all over the panel, and we're going to use your microfiber towel just to help tack down the film anywhere that's lifting, and also it's going to help us remove the solution that we just applied and any solution that's still underneath the film. And then once you're done with this step, you'll be done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2018 Cadillac XT5. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. If it did, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.